Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today, wherever you may be. Today, as you can probably tell by the title, we're doing my unboxing for my Boxycharm August box. I actually got my July and August boxes on the same day because of a snafu theft by someone, I'm assuming, at FedEx. So not real happy with that whole situation. I explained a lot more of how all that went down in the July unboxing that I just did. So if you want to go check out that video, I'm trying to make these really kind of short and sweet instead of dragging on forever. As you can tell, also I already have all my makeup on. I did not use any elements from the box today. Leave me a comment below if you would like to see me use any of these. But in the meantime, let's jump right on in and just get this done. It's getting late. It's 8:30 at night. And it's getting to be about time to go to bed because tomorrow's Monday. Gotta go to work. So jumping right in, the first item in the August box is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. And this is just what the packaging looks like. Kind of see the product moving around in there. I'm sure that it is sealed because this is infused with, yeah, it says it's got a, I actually already have this, but it's got a little lid that it even tells you on the little sticker to keep it closed, to keep me cool, because you don't want the, I think it's water, anyway, that's in there to evaporate, but it does still have the protective sticker over the top. So I am just going to leave it that way because, like I said, I already have one that I bought at, I think, Sephora. Haven't been using it in a while because guess what? Even with that lid, I think it still kind of dried out. Like it didn't hold up as well, and probably because of the things drying out. But let's see what the card says, shall we? It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. And the MSRP is $39. I do have to say that it is a very interesting sensation on the skin from what I remember. It was powdery, but still kind of felt wet, but it wasn't wet, and it was a little odd, you know, but it was okay. It worked. It did the trick. Oh, I totally forgot. Here's, and totally forgot to hold up the card. I've shot several videos today, starting to get a little punch drunk, but here we go. Here was the card for August, and it's just totally Boxycharm. Totally. The next item is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. And this is what this looks like. And it says the this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what the skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. And the MSRP is $42. And it comes, how is it? 25 milliliter or 0.84 ounces. Yeah, it's kind of liquidy in there. It almost kind of sounds like a thicker liquid, like it's not super watery, but it's definitely a liquid. The next item is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Now this is the item that I chose from Boxycharm to make up for the fact that my July box never made it to me, or should say the original one never made it. And this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And the spoolie on it is massive. Kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex wand, which is way too big for my little eyes. But I'll give it a shot because, you know, what the heck, why not? According to the box, they have a little before and after. That's how it's supposedly, like supposedly these are your lashes before, and then this is what it is, what they look like after applying the Big Ego Mascara. We shall see. I mean, I like Tarte. Tarte is actually one of my favorite higher end brands. I could probably do several dedicated videos on them and probably not use the same product except for maybe primers. I have several foundations, concealers. Anyway, I can go on and on. The card says it is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. I can definitely test that out on a regular work day. Might even do it tomorrow. What the heck? Then when I edit the video, I'll be able to tell you in one of those little subtitle thingies that I throw in. But the MSRP for the mascara is $23. Now, ironically, again, because of the whole thing with the July box, I was originally offered to be able to choose between the Ace Beauty or Beauté, I have no idea how to actually say that, eyeshadow duo and a cargo eyeshadow palette, and then was upgraded to either, what was it again? It was a Lily's Glass Skin Refining Serum, of which I'm not going for glass skin. I'm going for matte because I got the oily stuff going on, or the mascara. Didn't really care about the Ace Beauty eyeshadow duo, and hey, guess what I got? The Ace Beauty eyeshadow duo. Awesome. These actually look exactly same packaging. I haven't swatched them or anything, but hey, let's do that right now. I got the shades Iced Latte and Cotton Candy. I actually kind of feel also exactly like ColourPop, of which I have a drawer full of ColourPop because they had a 50% off sale. I went crazy. They're kind of interesting shades. Not sure if I would ever actually use these, but we have, I'll get the swatches up here. So we have, this is Iced Latte, and this is Cotton Candy. And the card says the highly pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading, and the MSRP is $25. I'm assuming that's $25 for the duo. I'm a little surprised at that price point, especially since I want to say the ColourPop ones are maybe like $6 a piece, and it's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same. But okay, apparently that's their price point. And then the last item in the box is a Steve Laurent lip liner. Does it say what the shade is? The shade is Chic. And this is just a regular like pencil that you would sharpen. And as you can tell, that kind of boxy brown. I think that's what I'm going to start calling all their lip shades because they're all pretty much a variation of brown. So that's a boxy brown. And the card says reshape, resize, or redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours. And the MSRP is $15. So that is it. That is my August box. Leave me a comment below if you would like me to show a video, like I said, make a video of using any of the elements of this. If the mascara works out, any of that, I will probably try that on and wear that tomorrow. Hopefully not make too much of a massive mess out of myself while trying to get ready for work, but you never know. I'll do my best. But that's it for this video. If you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all again in another video soon.